to me. Tell me what is a sweet sensation. It's a miracle that happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be.
Your love is like a sun, the lights of my whole world. I feel warm inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Every time I hear our music play, it reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you.
I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, then I can see
That I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
What's up mga Manoy?
Shoutout ay kong Christine Timgang.
Shoutout ay ko kang Isha Mercado.
Shoutout nga pala kay Ira Magsino.
Shoutout ko kay Lucipet Verbal.
Kang Angel Sarahina.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.